In today's video, I will be showing you how to show and hide your formula bar with this trick here in Google Sheets. So if you have a spreadsheet that you want to share online, let's say on an online meeting, and you don't want the formula bar to be revealing the type of formulas or functions that you use to get your data. For example, if I click on this one, it will show you the formula or how I got this total right here, and that's going to be by multiplying my price with the quantity. So if you don't want to show that during your presentation or during your meeting, what you can do to hide the formula bar right here would be to use this keyboard shortcut. So that keyboard shortcut is Control, Shift, and U. So if you're a Mac user, Control will be replaced by Command, so that's Command, Shift, and U. And there you have it. I have completely hidden our formula bar right here. So it doesn't matter which part of my range is selected, it will not show any of the formulas that I've used for that data. And if you want to show it back or if you want to unhide that formula bar, just press on the same keys. So again, that's Control or Command, Shift, and U. And there you have it. That's how you can show and hide your formula bar with this cool keyboard trick here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.